Essential business skills every entrepreneur needs. Introduction. Hi there, and welcome to our video on essential business skills every entrepreneur needs. Whether you're just starting out or looking to grow your existing business, having the right skills can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore the top skills you need to succeed in business and why they matter. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it takes to build a successful business. Financial management. Let's start with financial management. This is the ability to create and manage a budget, track expenses, and make informed financial decisions. As an entrepreneur, you'll need to manage your business's finances carefully to avoid financial pitfalls. A typical small business spends around 50% of its revenue on operational costs. So, it's essential to track your expenses and make adjustments as needed. Communication. Effective communication is another crucial business skill. This includes verbal and written communication, as well as active listening. Good communication can help you build strong relationships with customers, suppliers, and partners. Typically, 75% of communication is nonverbal, so make sure you're paying attention to body language and tone of voice. Marketing. Marketing is the process of promoting your business and attracting new customers. This includes creating a marketing strategy, setting targets, and measuring results. A well-planned marketing campaign can help you reach new audiences and drive sales. Most businesses allocate around 10-15% of their budget to marketing efforts. Time management. As an entrepreneur, you'll need to manage your time effectively to balance multiple tasks and responsibilities. This includes prioritizing tasks, avoiding distractions, and staying organized. On average, a small business owner spends around 40% of their time on administrative tasks. By learning to manage your time more efficiently, you can free up more time for growth and innovation. Risk management. Risk management is the process of identifying and mitigating potential risks to your business. This includes assessing potential threats, creating contingency plans, and developing strategies to minimize losses. According to a recent study, 60% of small businesses fail due to cash flow problems. By learning to manage risk, you can protect your business from financial downturns. Adaptability. Finally, adaptability is essential for any entrepreneur. This includes being open to change, embracing new ideas, and pivoting when necessary. A typical business undergoes around 3-5 major changes per year. By being adaptable, you can respond to changing market conditions and stay ahead of the competition. Conclusion. That's it. By mastering these essential business skills, you'll be well on your way to building a successful business. Remember, financial management, communication, marketing, time management, risk management, and adaptability are all crucial for any entrepreneur. Recap the key points. Financial management. Track expenses. Create a budget. Communication. Verbal and written communication. Active listening. Marketing. Create a marketing strategy. Set targets. Time management. Prioritize tasks. Avoid distractions. Risk management. Identify and mitigate potential risks. Adaptability. Be open to change. Pivot when necessary. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more business tips and advice.